3:45 p.m. Over 50 plus unidentified objects detected entering the northern hemisphere near North America.
This is an emergency action notification for all citizens of the United States. At approximately 3:45 p.m. today, more than 50 unidentified flying objects entered Earth's atmosphere. We suspect this may be a retaliatory action following the forceful shutdown of the now declared terrorist and hostile organization known as the Azuki Astral Guardians. To ensure your safety, please follow these steps. Seek immediate cover. Find the most secure part of your home, and if you are outdoors, seek shelter without delay. Do not remain outside to observe or listen to the unidentified flying objects. Tune your TV to Channel 5 for continuous updates on the situation. Have a battery-powered radio nearby for additional information. Given the uncertainty of the situation, we are unaware of the intentions behind these flying objects. If your TV signal is lost or unexpectedly switches to another source, be cautious. This may be propaganda from the Azuki Astral Guardians. Immediately turn off the TV, as these extraterrestrial entities possess supernatural abilities to infiltrate communication systems for potentially malicious purposes. Your safety is our top priority, and we will provide updates as soon as more information becomes available. Stay safe and vigilant.
We've executed sufficient interference at this point. I'm confident that was the final maneuver needed to bring them down. Leveraging their own tactics against them, we've successfully taken control of their televisions to present a deceptive narrative.
Good. Now we have everything we need to take all of the organization down. Azuki Astral Guardians. Azuki Astral Guardians. Every news headline, every international summit, it's always about them. What is there to appreciate? We're the United States of America. We used to lead the world in everything. Now, we're just another player on their stage. We used to set the standard. Now, we're just spectators. People around the world look to them before they even think about us. But it doesn't matter now. We can show them who the real guardians are now. Never thought that it would be that easy.
Good afternoon. I'm calling from the Bureau of Diplomatic Security. I am calling in reference to your organization, Azuki Astral Guardians. We regret to inform you that after a thorough investigation, the U.S. government has determined that this organization has been involved in repeated law violations and poses a significant threat to national security. I understand this may come as a surprise. However, based on our findings, we are issuing an official order for the immediate shutdown of the organization and all related entities associated with it. This decision is non-negotiable. Effective immediately, your organization and related entities is required to cease all operations. Moreover, within the next 30 days, you and all high-ranking members are instructed to hand over all possessions, assets, and relevant documents to the U.S. government. Failure to comply with this
As you are listening to this transmission, the wheels of our departure have already been set in motion, along with every document that belongs to us. Regrettably, circumstances have led us to this juncture, and we extend our sincerest apologies for any disruption this may cause. It is imperative to clarify that we, as an organization, stand committed to safeguarding humanity from the myriad challenges that test our preparedness in an ever-evolving world. Contrary to official narratives, the portrayal of our motives has been distorted through government interference in our broadcasts. Their efforts to sow seeds of distrust in our operations and methods have forced us to make a difficult decision. Faced with a hostile environment, we find ourselves compelled to suspend all activities on your planet and relocate to a secure space, light years away, where we can continue our mission undisturbed. Rest assured, our commitment to your protection remains unwavering. Even though our physical presence may be distant, we, the Guardians, will persist in shielding humanity. Those who share our dedication have chosen to accompany us, ensuring the continuity of our collective pursuit. To the inhabitants of Earth, we express our deepest apologies for the necessity of this covert departure. Yet, in the shadows, we shall endure as sentinels, always vigilant and protective. Best of luck, and farewell. Know that our watchful eyes will forever be upon you.